I would like to speak to those people who sometimes think to leave this planet willingly. Now, we cannot turn blind eye on this issue because even as per WHO, every 40 seconds, one person is actually leaving this planet Earth willingly. So I thought let me meet few people and talk about this subject with few people who have experience on this, who decided to do this but failed in doing this. So I found two people, one in my family, one in my friendship circle. So I met one person. That person attempted something like this for 8 times, and I can see some medical proof on the body. I had only 2 questions for that person. Question number 1, why? Why you are trying to do that? And that person said, Praveen, actually the life which I was expecting, a stability in marriage, stability in finances, a peaceful life. For years I was expecting that I will live that life, but unfortunately it's going worse and worse. So I thought the basic purpose of life, that living a stable, peaceful, I am not able to achieve the basic purpose of life also. So what is the logic of living this kind of life? It's better to leave this planet. I asked one more question to that person. That tell me, when you decided at the last moment, when you decided, okay, this is the attempt, and you know the types of attempts you did, you know that there is a chances of you actually leaving this planet very high. So what was going in your mind at the last moment, just before that attempt, before that action? And that person said, Praveen, all the 8 times there was only one thought. I said, what? And that person said, someone should come and stop me right now. I said, okay. So in this kind of conversation, the last thing one can do is give your feedback to that person, what you think about it. So I just heard that person and I'm still digesting what that person said. Another person from my family, and that person very many years ago, when that person decided to leave this planet and failed, I asked why you did that. And that person said, I was expecting good marks in graduation, and entire plan was ready, not only from my side, even from my family side, that once the graduation is over, I will start working and start supporting my family. But unfortunately in one subject I failed. And I said, okay, I can't achieve the basic purpose now. It's like the basic purpose of the life was to serve, to support the family. Right? So directly or indirectly, even the answer was here only. If I put in the correct words, the answer was that that person was expecting to live a life where that person can support the family, and because that person is unable to live that basic purpose, achieve basic purpose, that person is deciding to leave the planet. Unfortunately, that person failed in that attempt, because when that person sent this paper for recalculation, they realized that there was a mistake in calculation of numbers, and that person never failed in exam. And again I asked that person the last question, the second question, that what was going in your mind at the last moment? And that person said this, that okay, if I can't achieve the basic purpose of my life, if I can't achieve what I want to achieve, let's leave this planet. So if I pick common learnings from this 2 simple conversation, one of the key reasons why people sometimes decide to leave this planet is because they feel that if I can't achieve the basic purpose of my life, the life which I have imagined, if I can't achieve that, let's leave the planet Earth. I think this is a fundamentally incorrect logic. It's incorrect. I think this logic itself is incorrect. You should leave this planet once your purpose is achieved. So example, if I say that this is my purpose and I've achieved that purpose, I should leave this planet, then I'm unnecessarily wasting and utilizing the resources of this planet. Because I've achieved, but the purpose of coming on this planet is achieved, I should leave it. But you cannot achieve the purpose of your life. It is not possible. This question is fundamentally incorrect question, that what is the purpose of life? Because even if you have the answer, who will validate that answer? Who will validate? Meet husband and wife separately and they will say, purpose of life different. Meet 2 partners in business, they will say purpose of life different. Meet a child, meet an adult, purpose of life is varies from person to person. Everyone has their own way, but who will validate that your purpose of life, your answer is correct? There's no way to validate that. But you should not leave the planet for this reason that I'm not able to achieve the purpose of life, where you don't even know that is this the purpose of life, when you don't know. Unfortunately, when people do that, you have to understand this sometimes, when especially for those people who sometimes think to leave this planet like this, you have to understand this. That's a very selfish decision. Even I tried that. I didn't do this, but I tried something worse than this at the age of, when I was in 9th standard, so around 15, 16 years old. I decided to leave my home from Nasik to Mumbai. I spent 3 days in Mumbai alone, and those days no mobile, nothing. And in those 3 days, my parents had no idea whether I'm alive, not alive. The amount of pain I inflicted upon my parents in those 3 days, I still remember I'm making one video along with my mother, and that video is still there on my timelines. I asked my mother, tell me what was going in your mind. It's a 10 minutes video. In 10 minutes video, 8 minutes my mother is crying like, oh my God. Because even in that video, when she decided to go back on a memory lane, what exactly happened in those 3 days, oh my God, she could not able to hold tears. So those who are thinking to leave this planet like this, it's a very selfish decision. I must tell you, you are finishing your life, but you're murdering your family members. You're murdering. At least my parents had hope that okay, he's there, maybe somewhere he'll come. But when you actually finish, when you leave this planet, there is no hope also for your family members. That is the worst thing you can do with your loved ones. Leaving the planet like this. Don't do that. Why you do that, I really don't understand the logic. Something which Mother Nature has already planned for you. So what you do, for example, keep your life aside and consider that you are in a garden and you see a rose plant full of roses. What you do? You take the rose and scramble it like this? Do you do that? No. Why? Because you know one day, now is beautiful, this rose is beautiful, but one day Mother Nature is going to take this rose away from this planet. It's going to happen. It's destined to happen. Same with you, same with me also. So Mother Nature is already going to take us away from this planet Earth. Then why are you taking the burden of Mother Nature on your head? Please don't do that. Make sure that you have to understand this simple logic, which I've understood from someone, and that someone's name is Sushmita Sen. So I still remember Sushmita Sen coming to Kapil Sharma's show, and Kapil Sharma said, Sushmita, what happened? Nowadays, no movies, what happened? This and that. And Sushmita Sen said, movies is just one part of my life. Just because I'm not doing movies, that doesn't mean that I'm not doing multiple things, other things in my life. So, for example, if you're deciding to leave the planet because of studies is just one part of your life. If you're deciding to leave the planet because of marriage is just one part of your life. Or you're deciding to leave this planet because you're not doing good in business is just one part of your life. Leave business, leave marriage, leave study. Don't leave this planet. When you leave this planet like this, you are actually insulting evolution. For millions of years, our ancestors, they had only one objective. How can we survive? That's the only objective, to increase the chances of our survival of the species. And when you intentionally, willingly, proactively decide to leave this planet, it means you are insulting their efforts of millions of people for millions of years. Don't do that. That's not the fair way of behaving on this planet Earth. Feel happy that you are Homo sapiens. No other animal does this. We are the most matured and the best brain we have on this planet. No one does this. Please don't do that. Please reconsider that if you are leaving this planet because you are not able to achieve the purpose of life, maybe you will find some other purpose. Do not worry about this. What's your view on this? What is your perspective? I would like to know your perspective. Share your perspective. This is Brahmanalka signing out. Until we meet again.